to all you amazing teachers. If you are an educator and you are not using Canva for Education yet, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for Canva for Education so that you can unlock the free premium version just for teachers. Canva for Education gives you access to everything that you would normally pay for in Canva Pro, but because you are a teacher, it is completely free. So let me show you how to sign up. First, you need to open up your browser and search for Canva. Once you search for Canva, it will usually be the first option that says Canva Visual Suite for Everyone, and the website is www.canva.com. If you click on it, it will take you straight to the website. Now you will notice that there are different tabs at the top. Choose the Education tab and then choose the Education plans. Now you will notice there are different plans. There's one for teachers, one for schools and districts, and one for campus. If you are a school or district or campus and you want to sign up and get your whole school signed up, then you need to just click on Contact Us and you can talk to Canva directly. The majority of you as teachers will use this first option that is for teachers. You'll notice it's for free and you'll notice that there are amazing features that you have access to under this version. Now you need to just select Get Verified and then it will prompt you to sign into Canva. Now, if you already have a Canva account and you're using the free version, that's fine. You can log in. I'll show you later how you can just upgrade your account. However, for the majority of you, you can make a selection of either continue with Google, Microsoft, Clever, or with an email address. If you have a school email address, you can continue with that email address. But if you don't, then you can continue with an option that suits you. I'm going to choose continue with Google. And then I'm going to select my email address. And then I'm going to click on continue. Right, it will have created a profile for me, but now I need to make these selections so that I can tell Canva how I'm going to be using the platform as well as how to personalize it for myself. So when it says let's create a Canva design for you, what will you be using Canva for? You can select teaching or learning and then select I am a teacher. Right, now you have signed up. This is where if you already have a Canva account, where you will come in, you will log in and you will see that this is your dashboard. Now you need to click on this initial icon at the bottom and you will notice that there's something that says plans and pricing. Click on that and then you're going to select education. And then you're going to come to the teachers and you're going to select Get Verified. Once you have done that, it's going to prompt you to select your school and insert your school email address. So if you don't have a school email address, you can click I don't have a school email address. If you do, then you can just type it in. Then you're going to select your zip code. So you'll type in your zip code and then you will enter the name of your school. Right, once you've done that, you'll click on continue. And then you need to verify that you are an educator. So it's going to prompt you to upload any documentation. Now, this is normally a copy of your degree. And if you're a South African citizen, then your SACE certificate will also do. So you're going to go and select one of these options. You can also do a pay slip, a letter of employment, a signed school letter. Those are your recommended options. Your school ID, your teaching license, or other. So let's say, for example, you have a teaching license and you want to upload your degree or your SAY certificate, then you will choose the file and upload it here. Right, once you have done that, then you can also add another document. So for example, if you want to now maybe have a letter of employment or a signed school letter or a pay slip, then you can choose another document as well. Then you're going to click on continue. And then it's going to say confirm your details. So just confirm your full name. If you have a degree that has a maiden surname, make sure that you change your full name here to your maiden surname. And then click on continue. And then it says we are reviewing your information, but you can get started with Canva now. Now, usually it takes 24 hours, but it may take up to 7 days. I have never had to wait more than 24 hours, and you'll be notified in your inbox that Canva will send you an email to notify if you have been approved or if you have not been approved. If you have not been approved, they usually tell you why, and you can just come and follow this process again and upload other documents to prove that you are an educator. Once you're done, you click done, and then well done. You're ready to use Canva for education in just a couple of hours. And I hope you enjoy the experience.